have never been particularly poor at calculating how to get things done in the United States Senate. So the best way to get something done, if it holds near and dear to you that you like to be able to, anyway.
Been there.
We've known each other a long time. She was 17, I was 40. That's it. But thank you.
Well, I'm sick and tired of smart guys.
I'm just sick and tired.
I like kids better than people.
We're going to seize their yachts, their luxury homes, and other ill-begotten gains of Putin's kleptocracy. Kleptocracy. And the guys who are the kleptocracies. Well, we're going to win and we're going to help. We have plans to build a railroad from the Pacific all the way across the Indian Ocean.